Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make corn pakora. For that, let's check the ingredient. Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, black pepper, chaat masala, jeera powder, salt as per taste, rice flour, wheat flour, and boiled corn. Here I am using 1 cup of boiled corn. So let's get started. Firstly, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour in it. And then 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, one teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. This will add a tangy taste in our corn pakoda. 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. And then salt as per taste. Now I will mix it nicely. Mixing is very important. It will help in mixing the masala and everything very nicely. After mixing it, I am going to add little bit of water. I am using 2 tablespoons of water. Don't add too much water as we don't want to make our batter very thick. We will make it in a dough kind of. You can see I will add some more water in it. You can see the consistency. So our dough is ready. Now I will make balls of it and then I will press it. You can see how I am doing. See how properly the corn is being stick together. In this way I will make all. So it's ready. You can see. So now I'm going to deep fry it. Oil is hot. I will add the pakora in it. Firstly, I will fry it on a medium flame for 3 minutes on both the side, and then for 1 minute I will fry it on a high flame. So 3 minutes are done. Now I will flip it and I will cook the other side as well for 3 minutes, and then I will deep fry it for 1 minute on a high flame. So it's done. Now I will transfer it on a plate. So now it's time for plating. For plating I'm using green chili sauce and tomato sauce. Firstly I will add green chili sauce in this way, and then in the middle of it I'm going to add tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. And then I will take a spoon and I will spread it in this way. So it's ready. In the middle of it I'm going to add our corn pakora. So this is the final look. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.